Ready?
Yeah.
Basic forcible entry.
Soggy door.
So you get the door open and then you pull it back closed again?
Yeah,
right away?
so what's on the other side of the door? Fire. And
We have no hose.
you know, we don't have a hose stream ready. You know, this might be something we come up assess. You know, we always try before we pry, make sure it's unlocked. It's locked, we're gonna feel for heat, decide to engage in forcible entry, force it open, and then we wanna, if we leave this open, the fire's getting all that air in there. It's gonna really change the environment. It's gonna make it, you know, less tenable for victims, and it's gonna make it harder for us to fight, 'cause it's gonna grow rapidly. So once we get it open, we'll close it, get suited up, ready to go in, and then open it and go do our search or our fire attack.